your help planting. Click and drop the vegetable seedlings in the right size boxes. Then water them with the pink watering can to make them grow. Let's plant peppers in the medium-sized box. Click and... Perfect! This box is small enough for the peppers we have to plant. Let's plant beans in the biggest box. Perfect! This box is big enough for the beans we have to plant. Now let's water the biggest box. Click on the pink watering can and bring it over to the vegetables to water them. Now let's water the smallest box. Yes! Great job! Let's plant beans in the medium-sized box. Click and drop the seedlings in the right size boxes. Oh no, this isn't the beans box. Perfect! This box is just the right size for the beans we have to plant. Let's plant corn in the smallest box. Perfect! This box is small enough for the corn we have to plant. Now let's water the smallest box. Now let's water the medium-sized box. Medium means the size that's in between big and small. Let's plant peppers in the biggest box. Perfect! This box is big enough for the peppers we have to plant. Now let's water the biggest box. Yes! Great job! Wow, that was fun! I can't wait to plant seeds in the garden.